Hello my dear students and welcome back once again. This is your English teacher Himanshi ma'am. How are you all? Students, today I am going to take the revision for the ongoing topic which is letter writing. In letter writing we have already made 4 video lessons in which 2 have been for leave application and 2 for apology letter. Today I am going to sum up this topic and it will be the last video lesson for the common topic for class 7 and class 8. Okay? Now the next video lesson onwards I will be starting a new topic which will be only for the students of class 8. I hope this instruction is clear in your mind. Next thing, in the video lesson today we are simply going to discuss some useful tips, some useful points which we must follow always whenever we are attempting the question of letter writing. Okay students? But before I start with my discussion, as usual, without even thinking for a second, just simply do the 3 things that you always have to do. Like, share, subscribe. Okay my dear students? So, time to pay attention on your screens.
Writing skill, class 7, class 8. Letter writing revision. Please note down all the details in your fair registers. Students, as you can see on your screen, these are some common errors which are mostly done while writing any kind of letter. So today we will revise and understand these errors so that they are not done by any of the students. Number 1. When we are writing the date in a leave or apology letter, sometimes we write the month in numerical. But that is wrong. Students, you are supposed to write the month in alphabets and also important to put a comma after writing month. Number 2. When we are writing salutation before the body of our letter, mostly students do the mistake of putting a comma after madam. But again, this comma is wrong. In the salutation, you are only supposed to write madam without any comma. Number 3. If you are writing thanking you in your letter, so my dear students, that will be wrong. Instead, you have to simply write thank you at the end of your letter. Number 4. When we are writing our personal details, we also write yours truly, yours thankfully. It is often observed that students put apostrophe S, which is wrong. You are supposed to write simply yours without apostrophe. Next point. These are some very important spellings on your screen which should be learned by all of you. Most of the times it is observed that students do error in these spellings. So make sure you do not do any kind of error. Apologize with Z with S, both will be considered correct. Make sure you don't put any extra E in truly. Truly is written without E, I must remind you. Make sure my dear students you learn all these spellings by heart. Now students, some key points to follow for letter writing. The beginning of your content should always start with due regards, due respect. Some students have this habit of directly starting by saying I am this of this class. That is wrong. You have to first pay your respect. Number 2. These are the different ways in which you can start the body of your letter. I would like to inform you. I wish to say that. I would like to state that. I wish to apprise you. Now in leave application you must always remember that when you are writing the content in past tense, you have to use the word consider for your leaves. And when you are writing the letter in future tense, you have to use the word grant for your leaves. The ending of your body should always be I shall be highly obliged or grateful to you. Do not be confused about the use of the word apology and apologize. Both are used differently. Always mention dates of leave in a leave application. Example, kindly grant me leave from 1st to 10 September or kindly consider my leave from 1st to 10 September, like that. I hope these points will be useful for you when you attempt this answer in the future.
Okay, my dear students, that is all for today. I hope these points will be useful to you, especially when you're doing the answers in your fair registers. This was the last revision video, final for the topic of letter writing, which was common for both class 7 and 8. Next video lesson onwards, I will be starting a new thing, and that will be only for class 8. Okay, my dear students, till then, take care, bye-bye, see you all.
To all my dear students, with love, with regards, wishing you all a very, very happy Indian Independence Day. Jai Hind!